They say only legends know the real story behind the invention of the wheel. But what if I told you there's a tool that's even older than the wheel that will soon make 99% of jobs extinct? Well, before we reveal what this tool is, let me ask you a question. If someone offered you a chance to do what you do now but 10 times faster, would you take it? Of course you would. Who wouldn't want to work 10 times faster and get paid the same? However, here's the thing. This is not some crazy futuristic prediction. It's already happening right now. In fact, a recent study by McKinsey found that due to the rise of AI, companies can now perform many tasks 10 times faster and with higher quality than before. For example, just think about how long it used to take to draft an email. You had to think of a subject line, organize your thoughts, write the email, check for grammar mistakes, and so on. Now all you have to do is type in one sentence and let an AI chatbot like ChatGPT finish the rest. And the craziest part is that AI chatbots can already do this in multiple languages. Just imagine how much time you can save once you get used to it. But wait, there's more. According to McKinsey, companies can use AI to perform market research 10 times faster, generate marketing copy 5 times faster, and even draft contracts 3 times faster. Now, these are only a few examples, but you get the idea. AI tools are making us all work a lot faster. However, here's the thing. While these tools can help us do our work 10 times faster, they can also replace many jobs. In fact, some experts predict that AI will replace 800 million jobs in the next 6 years. That's why it's crucial to understand which tools are being used to replace which jobs, and most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself from losing your job. So without further ado, let's get started. The first tool that can replace your job is called AutoDraw. AutoDraw is basically an AI tool that helps you draw almost anything you can imagine. All you have to do is start drawing whatever you want and AutoDraw will finish the rest. For example, if you start drawing a bird, AutoDraw will finish the rest of the image. Or if you start drawing a flower, AutoDraw will turn it into a beautiful image. Now you might be thinking, okay, it's a pretty cool tool, but how can it replace my job? Well, here's the thing. Companies can use AutoDraw to create marketing materials 10 times faster. For example, let us say you're a marketing manager at a company and you need to create a banner for an upcoming event. With AutoDraw, you can simply start drawing a banner and the AI tool will finish the rest, allowing you to create high-quality marketing materials much faster. Now, the second tool that can replace your job is called Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI tool that allows anyone to edit videos like a pro. With this tool, you can remove objects from a video, change the background, add text, and much more. And the best part is that you don't need any experience or skills to learn how to use it. Now the third tool that can replace your job is called Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI tool that allows you to create realistic videos of people talking about any topic you can imagine. For example, let's say you want to create a video explaining a complex topic. With Synthesia, you can create a realistic video of a person explaining the topic, making it easier for your audience to understand. So those are 3 powerful tools that can replace your job. Now, I know the idea of losing your job can be scary, but I want you to think of it this way. These tools are not just replacing jobs, they're also creating new ones. For example, there are already companies hiring AI trainers, AI ethicists, and AI project managers. Now, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and protect yourself from losing your job, here are 3 things you can do. First, start learning how to code. Coding is one of the most important skills of the 21st century, and it is also one of the hardest skills to automate. Second, focus on developing skills that require human touch. This includes things like creativity, empathy, and communication. Finally, be willing to learn new things and adapt to change. If you're not willing to learn new things and adapt to change, you'll be left behind. So don't be afraid to experiment with AI tools and see how they can help you do your work better and faster. By doing so, you'll not only protect yourself from losing your job, but you'll also be able to thrive in the new economy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content. We would really appreciate it. See you in the next video.